Hello friends, today we are going to show you that how can we find autosum of the data present in Excel. I have a data of some students and their obtained marks in different subjects. I want to find its sum right here. I will click on formulas. Here is the autosum and I will click on the sum. It will select automatically all the columns whose sum I want to find right here. And you can write this formula manually, equal to sum and then C2. This is started from C2 and ending at J2, and then close parenthesis and then enter. It will find out the sum of all the obtained marks of this student from C to J. Now you want to find the sum of all the students in single click, then press left mouse key and then drag it here till to end. It will find out the sum of all the students in a single click. This is the way through which you can find out the total marks of the students in just a single click. I think you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up this video and share this video. If you want to ask any question, kindly comment below this video.